Afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 26 says, the old woman's birthday was marked by her children with poem. So we are looking for the interpretation of this statement. The old woman's birthday was marked by our children's poem. So our focus here is poem. And when we talk of poem, okay, let's see the options first. Option A says greatly celebrated, B remembered fondly, C widely advertised, option D says filmed and played back. And when we say something is poem, when traditionally and literally speaking, poem means a traditional colorful event. Listen now. So the old woman's birthday was marked by her children with pomp celebration, that is greatly celebrated, because pomp simply means traditional colorful event or occasion. And when something is colorful, it means that it is great or vast in its celebration. So option A is correct, greatly celebrated. So it means that the old woman's birthday was